Welcome back to Automotive Blockchain, bringing you blockchain and crypto related news for the automotive industry. Today we are going to be talking about Renault and Accenture and how Accenture is collaborating with Groupe Renault. So I have had this in the queue for a little bit and I just wanted to make sure I get it out. And before I do that, I just wanted to say thank you everyone for tuning into the videos, the likes, the comments. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and you can also subscribe to the channel. And also don't forget to smash that bell if you want to be notified for future videos that are coming out. So here we go. The blockchain transformation vector for the future of the automotive industry. This is taken right from the Groupe Renault site. And what they're going through here, this came out a little bit earlier in the year. And what they have come up with is a little bit of background that they start off with. So Groupe Renault has been working on blockchain technology since 2015. And they first started doing this as it appeared in finance. And with that, I wanted to say that since 2015, they have done a number of different projects, one of which they did in a collaboration with the consulting firm Visio and Microsoft. And with that, they worked on a prototype for a digital car maintenance booklet. Now, I want to just let everyone know that it seems as if, Renault is really focused on after sales and making sure that that part of the industry is really kind of anchored down and tracked. For the manufacturers, for them to manufacture, and they're working with a number of different companies in order to make sure that happens. So you can see here that it's not just the digital maintenance booklet, but you can read here that currently information about customers and their vehicles is spread across multiple information systems maintained by automakers, insurance, repair shops, and more. That just creates let's just say a very FUBAR situation for those of you that get the reference to the movie.
A lot of that going around. FUBAR.
So going from there, that just gives you a little bit of history back in 2017 when they did that, that little prototype. Now, that said, back to the article. I'm not going to go through this entire article. I'm just going to give the links in the description below, but we will focus on this part. Blockchain technology and Groupe Renault. For Groupe Renault, it has to be as collaborative, multi-company digital tool within the automotive sector. That is their key focus, is collaboration spread all throughout the entire chain. So why? In this way, it will become a source of increased productivity and collective intelligence. For example, the customer. It makes it possible to certify the repair and maintenance information on a vehicle when it is resold. There are a lot of manufacturers that are focusing on this, specifically from odometer reading perspectives, because a car can be resold to a particular customer. That particular customer, whoever it may be, could adjust the odometer, and as a result, maintenances and everything else can be off because certain maintenances are due at particular points in time. And I kind of give that information out because I realize that some of the people who may be listening to this may be more in tuned on the blockchain side and the technology side, just in general, but may not be as aware of some of the in-depth stuff for the automotive sector. So for Groupe Renault, the car of tomorrow will be electric, connected, autonomous, and shared. With that, they do have some concerns. So facing these challenges, Groupe Renault considers blockchain as a vector for transformation of the automotive industry. They have identified some 20 projects. Now, in that, some of their concerns would be traceability of financial transactions and communications with equipment manufacturers, as well as the sales network. Some of them will be deployed soon. So some of these 20 projects pertaining to these various areas here will be deployed soon, and I certainly look forward to seeing how they are going about it. Now, I do like to say this again, is that they are customer focused down the supply chain to tier 2, tier 3, and even the customer themselves. So here we go. This is the blockchain vice president, Odile. I apologize for mispronouncing your name if I have. That said, there's 3 questions that were asked of her. Now, she is the blockchain vice president, so you might want to listen to what she has to say. Why did Groupe Renault start to implement blockchain technology? Collaboration is key for the future of automotive industry, for car designs, of course, but also for all the service and mobility projects. The value collaboration is then enhanced for each partner. After you enlarge your view, you can see how big the picture can be. I like the way she's putting that there. So they're definitely looking out past what Renault is specifically focused on and looking at the entire industry perspective. And that's kind of important because for those of you that don't realize this, is that automotive manufacturers are very siloed. There's a lot of information out there, and it is just within each of their manufacturer silos and the suppliers that help create the vehicles and manufacture the vehicles, there's a lot of red tape, there's a lot of documents, there's a lot of paperwork, and a lot of those systems do not talk with each other. That is part of the reason why she is saying that. Second question, how is Groupe Renault utilizing blockchain technology? We have identified a methodology. What is the power of this technology? What are the new challenges it can support, and which pain points will be solved by it? So again, we have identified about 20 projects that have been planned in a roadmap. From traceability to financial transactions, the application domains are wide. Third question, how would you say blockchain systems have benefited Groupe Renault so far? She replies, blockchain systems had opened our vision of the future. The benefits will be not only for Groupe Renault, but for all the ecosystem of a project. They're looking outside of Groupe Renault over and over again, and I will say this right to the end, it is true for our customers, product or service, and consumers such as users and car share. They're literally focused on everything right down to the users of the vehicle and their customer experience. Just to kind of back that up, one of the key collaborators that Renault is with is Accenture. And right here on the Accenture site, you can see Groupe Renault on the fast track to digital success. The links for this will be in the description below. You can go ahead and look at that. I'm going to go through some highlights. Automotive manufacturer Renault collaborated with Accenture to develop a scalable, flexible, and connected mobile app to enhance the customer experience and deepen loyalty. Once again, talking about customer retention, helping the company speed ahead in the fast-changing automotive ecosystem. So how are they going about doing that? Well, first, they do address some business challenges in there. And for all of you out there that are into customer retention and looking at the after-sales side of things, here, listen to this paragraph. And it says, in past, customers who bought a car would say goodbye to the automotive original equipment manufacturer, the OEMs, and get back in touch with the dealership only if there was a problem, such as a recall. But now OEMs have the opportunity to maintain a link with customers throughout the car's lifecycle through a host of innovative connective services based on data from vehicle embedded software. That is a very important thing. So they're literally putting all sorts of sensors in here. And how is that looking at? Here is the solution that they came up with so far as this application is concerned. And this app initially launched with 5 services. So here are the initial 5. The first one is maintenance. That includes maintenance plans, maintenance history, appointments, and viewing the next service scheduled. Second is remote dashboard. This tracks the car's safety and efficiency, issues alerts for issues such as low tire pressure, and assist with scheduling. Personalized content is the third, that serves as information and offers relevant to how customers use the car. Fourth is store/dealer locator. And the fifth one is end-to-end navigation, including the ability to pinpoint a parked car on a map and send destination to the car from the app. So those are the 5, from maintenance to end-to-end navigation. So some of the results that they have found with this mobile application is, first, they are deploying it throughout pretty much all of Europe and Brazil, and Renault plans to expand the app to all countries where it operates. Finally, the mobile app and related services are connecting customers, their cars, and the Renault brand in new ways. By forging deeper, ongoing relationships with customers, Renault is building loyalty and retention. I cannot state this enough. Retention in automotive is the name of the game. Yes, you can sell cars, but if you cannot retain customers in the service department and after sales and fixed operations, you are pretty much lost. So it's about getting the customers engaged in the newest ways possible. And in this particular case, they're talking about utilizing the dealer telematics, or excuse me, the vehicle telematics, and the variety of microprocessors and sensors within the vehicle to help market to the customer. So that is it. Hope you all like the video on Renault and Accenture. There is more to come. Don't forget to like as well as subscribe.